Hey, hello guys, I'm making this video. I found this online store that it was really interesting because I do like electronics, because since I build audio amplifier for home use, I also like car audio. So the motorcycle just passed by. All right, thank you, Mr. Motorcycle. All right, let's continue here. Also, I found this online store sorry about that. And just to let you know, English is my second language. Probably you're gonna hear that some words I might not pronounce correctly, but I really apologize in advance for that. So let's continue here. So I like the store because this is the most important part of this online store, is the components of the loudspeaker parts. So I really like the way they did it. So they started with the spiders. So I'm just gonna do a quick browse of what they have. So you can click. I'm gonna leave it anyway. I'm gonna leave it on the description down below, so you can click to the link and check what they have available for you, for your needs, for your repair, or you just wanna build a brand new woofer for yourself, for your car audio. So all right, let's continue. So the spiders, we have 1.5 inches up to 4 inches. Oh my god. They got the voice coils 1.5 inches up to 4 inches, frames 6.5 inches up to 24 inches, subwoofer cones, same thing, 6.5 up to 24 inches. Frame gasket, basically that's the rubber that goes around the ring of the frame basket. They got tensile lead wires. They got the motor. This is my favorite section, the motors, basically the magnet of the woofer. Speaker repair adhesive, that's the glue. In Spanish is pegamento. We got those caps, miscellaneous. Man, I did just pronounce it correctly. God damn, finally. I really apologize for that. They have other items, sorry about that, other items that you can search online here. Let's see first the spiders. That's a quick browsing of the spiders. I'm just gonna click there, and you can see they have different. I'm not gonna click on all of them. 1.5 up to 4 inches. Some of the spider, they come with already with the stencil already sewed to the spider, so you don't need to do that. So let me show you this one right here. They have a few options. They have the plain without. Oh my god, I did not see this one here. This is a large one right there, and you can see they already, it comes with the stencil already prepared. Comes with double stencil. That means that it's gonna carry a lot of current that's gonna flow through that stencil. So the more you have, more current about that, it will flow through those stencil wires. That's gonna try to explain that in a better way. So some people do not know that. All right, let's go back to frames. Let's go to the frame. Oh, I forgot the voice coil. Should go to the voice coil. Sorry about that. I really apologize for that. So let's go to the voice coils. They have different size of voice coil. 1.5, 2 inches, 1.5, sorry about that, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 2.5 inches, 3 inches, 3.5 inches, and 4 inches. I think the most common size is the 3 inches. So as I noticed that on this section for the 3 inches voice coil, they have plenty different options to choose from for different resistance. Also different they come with the dual or single voice. I think they have, most of them, they are dual coils, so they do double winding. Sorry about that. So let me explain some stuff here. Right here, the subwoofer voice coil triple joint. I like this one here. Let me explain what it is. So basically, it's a ring that you're gonna install in the voice coil that is gonna be attached to the spider. Basically, after you add the CA glue and to that ring, it's gonna make it stronger. The bonding of the ring and the glue is gonna make it stronger. It's gonna be a lot stronger, so for reinforcement of the voice coil. That is really important right there. I really like it. Probably it looks silly, but it's not silly. I see that it's gonna make a difference on your build. So one other thing is the subwoofer voice coil shim. This is really important. It's a bit, you know, it's $20, but it's a good tool to have if you're gonna continue doing that. I mean, you're gonna repair a few times your subwoofer, so it's a good investment right there to have that that tool in particular. All right, let's continue here. So we have different choices of voice coil. We got 1 ohm, we got 4 ohms, 2 ohms, 0.7 ohms. God damn, 0.7 ohms. 1 ohm, 1 ohm. Most of them they are 1 ohm. Let me see. Let me continue checking on the other. Yeah, they have different options here. Sizes, the thickness, the dimensions of the pole. All right here, you can see right there. I'm not gonna click on them, so that's why I'm gonna leave the link on the description down below so you can check and read. They have the information. Oh, let's go back to, let's go and continue with the frames. Continue with the frames. Okay, they have different options right here. I think they're gonna update this one later on. So there's no image for the 24 inches frame, and there's no image for the 6.5. But they have 6.5 up to 24 inches frames for, you know, the basket. Basically, you can see the sizes, different sizes of the basket. I think the most common use basket, it will be the 10, 12, and 15. Those are the most common frames. There you go. Let me click on one of these. They have the classic 12-spoke subwoofer frame right here. You can order this one here, or the TI subwoofer frame. That's a little bit more expensive, but it's because it's a lot stronger. You notice the thickness of those those things right there. I don't know how to explain it, but it does look stronger than the other one. This one is more, I think, more reliable to have one of these than the 12-spoke. But the 12-spoke will work also the same way. It's just, you decide what you want. You decide what you want, depending on the money that you have too. All right, let's continue with other stuff. Tensor lead wires. They have many choices here. I was searching a few minutes before I start the video. You can see they have different sizes right here. 2.3 millimeters. means millimeters. You don't know that. Probably some people do not know that. All right, 0.9 millimeters, 1.37 millimeters, 2.68 millimeters, 2 millimeters, 2.8 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 3.5. Man, I get really fast. 4 millimeters, 4.3 millimeters, 4.9, and 6 millimeters. This is the thickest, the thicker wire. Sorry about my pronunciation, it's terrible. All right, there you go. So 6 millimeter flat braided tensor lead wire, 0.237 inches diameter. Okay, 6 millimeters. So rated for loudspeaker up to 2.8K watts. So basically, you put 2 of those in parallel, it will be a lot. So a lot of current can flow. One sample, 2.8. This is just an example. 2A. God dang! What? Oh, did I did it right? Yeah, I did it right. Times 2 is 5.6K watts. That's depending on the situation. All right, let's continue here. And my favorite part, I think I'm gonna end up the video just talking about the magnets. So this is the way I see it. Okay, one sample, you just wanna have a nice car audio, equipment, stereo equipment on your car, and you wanna have a good investment on the speakers. I think this is the great choice for that, because I mean, you purchase the magnet, you're gonna build it from the ground up. I mean, from scratch. You decide what coil you want. You can have the 4 ohms, 2 ohms, 1 ohm, dual ohms coil. You decide what cone you want it, the dust cap, the size of the frame, the basket. So I think it's a good investment to have this. To have the magnet. At the beginning, okay, I know it's $75, but think about it. You purchase the magnet, purchase the frame, the spider, the voice coil, the dust cap, the glue, the ring, and all the stuff that you need, and the the connectors for your woofer. Once you put it together and you're gonna use it, if something happened, you can just repair it back the way it was before, because you already have the magnet and the frame. So I think it's a good investment that you can purchase your own magnet. So you have your magnet, you put it together, you're gonna use it. Something happened, maybe someone turn on the volume too high or maybe for too long periods of time, you do not notice, and you're gonna burn out the coil, so you can repair it back. I think it's a good investment. I really like this section. For now, I'm not sure they updated the website recently. This one here is out of stock. The model LV25. Also, this one here, this is out of stock. This is a 400 ounces subwoofer motor magnet, 4 inches voice coil, so $225. Let me see. I have not seen this one. That's a nice, sexy magnet right there. You can tell. Holy cow! That's a big one. That's a big boy. All right, let me see the info. That I noticed that the bolt pattern where you're gonna attach the frame, the screws, they have 2 options. I think there's 2 options or only one. I think there is no, it's only one option. I see bolt pattern 5 inches, same as 127 millimeter by 6. But I see something weird here. I don't know. I don't know. Let me go back. Thank you, tablet. Why don't you? Okay. The tablet. Goddamn tablet. All right. Let's see. Continue here. So we have this one here. I like this one in particular. You want to just start from something new. I mean, I would start for something like this, because this one has 2 options of bolt pattern. So this one we have the 5 inches, same as 127 millimeter by 6, or 4.33 inches by well, actually it's 110 millimeter by 6. This is 2 different size inches or inches and millimeters. So 5 inches, same as 127 millimeter by 6, or 4.33 inches by, I mean, sorry, but it's not by, same as 110 millimeter by 6 millimeter. 20 pounds. The bolt threads is M6. So I think it is a good investment to have the magnet, because you can reuse it. No, it's not like you purchase something from the store. For example, Amazon, you purchase a speaker, you blow the speaker, but to find the parts for that particular woofer is gonna be really difficult. So they design it in a way, they design the speaker in a way that you cannot repair. You cannot repair your woofer. In this case, you have the option of repairing. One example, let's do one last thing before I end this video. I really don't want to make it too long. You purchase the magnet and you decide, okay, I just want to add this magnet a 10 inches frame. One example, let's find the 10 inches frame. Sorry about that. Let's find the 10 inches frame. You just wanted to start with something simple at the beginning. So let's say that you're gonna choose this one right here. But you gotta keep checking. You gotta make sure that the bolt pattern is the correct one. As you can see, this one is 4.33. So this one will work with that magnet. The one that I just showed you a few seconds ago, actually, a few seconds ago. It says 4.33 inches. So that will work with this one here. Let me go back to the motors. Go back to you just gotta make sure that the bolt pattern is the correct one. You don't want to make a mistake. As you can see right here, 4.33 inches, same as 110 millimeters by 6. All right, guys, this is it. I'm gonna leave the link of this website on the description down below. Here's the phone number, 866-312-9207. Email info@thelordofthebase.com. right here. There you go. All the info. I already did that. They joined our newsletter. I already saw on Facebook. I saw them on Facebook. I asked them if I can upload, I can make a video about this website. She said yes, there's no problem. All right. Oh, this is it, guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Probably exo contractors here already know about this, and Steve May and other famous, I would say famous YouTuber that love this type of you know, things. The best way I can explain. All right, guys, have a good day. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up to this video and a like. The same thing. All right, guys, have a good day.